Well, the Northeast is digging out after what became a powerful nor'easter, bomb cyclone, and blizzard. It pummeled much of the area, with the storm dropping up to 3 feet of snow in some areas, and hundreds of thousands of people are without power right now. I want to give you a live look in Buffalo, New York, where the snow has now stopped, but things look really different in a lot of places just yesterday. Nearly 2 feet of snow falling in areas like Central Park in New York City. And this is now the most snow that New York has seen in over a decade. At this hour, over 300,000 homes and businesses are still without power along the East Coast, and more than half of those are in Massachusetts. In Boston, 2 to 3 inches of snow fell in an hour. Winds there reaching 60 miles an hour and creating whiteout conditions. The entire state of New Jersey under a blizzard warning for the first time in 3 decades. And this is snowplows were out there. They struggled to keep up. The storm system was so intense that Broadway producers made the highly unusual decision to cancel all Broadway shows last night in New York.